Let me show you how this is to ride. The gear switching does feel a bit clunky, but you get used. It's only a matter of time when you get used to it. It's a pretty big motorcycle, so gates like these need to be opened a lot wider. Thank you. I mean, you can tour on this thing. The seat comfort is excellent. It's got cornering ABS as well. And it's so surprisingly nimble on roads. Wow! Well, there are several different models of Tiger available. The 800, the 900, the 1200. And I think they discontinued the 800 one just to promote the 900. This is the 2017 XCX Explorer. It's got so many X's that they decided to discontinue this as well. And now it's just known as the Tiger 1200. It's got plenty of power. And this adjustable windscreen kind of makes it very easy on my neck. This is surprisingly quick. I'm doing 100 in these turns. And I'm not even feeling that I'm going that fast. The handlebar position is very relaxed. My back is upright. And oh man, the cushion is just... it's good. This is just pure power that I'm experiencing. Wow! Just oh so amazing. And it doesn't really feel like it's going too fast. Wow! The Tiger packs quite a power. Rawr! It didn't get scared. That's okay. For the amount of money you give, this is pretty luxurious. And it's a dual sport motorcycle. And it's extremely powerful and agile. I mean, what wouldn't you give to ride on a motorcycle like this, on a road like this? It is just beautiful. I've come to believe that this is named Tiger, feels like a tiger, handles like a tiger, sounds like a tiger, and it also looks like a tiger. This is amazing motorcycle. You can adjust the suspensions to your settings even on the go. It is that easy to do. The motorcycle also comes with cornering ABS. Never tried it, but it sounds nice to have. Sounds important to have. Look at all these gazelles going in front of the tiger. See about the rear view mirrors? You get to see pretty much everything. The tiger seems hungry. Oh, the gazelle also seems a little in a bit of a rush. Okay, what were you saying? Huh, Scooty? No offense about my Scooty drivers. I'd say, hi boys. Hashtag speed camera. Please drive safely in Delhi. Unless you want a speeding ticket on your mailbox. Having a 20-liter fuel tank is necessary for this thing to go long distances. But with long distances comes the fuel economy. How much does the Tiger give? Well, Triumph claims that it gives about 17 liters per liter, which is 17 kilometers per liter. It also comes with what is this called? Tour setter? No. Man, I forgot what this is called. Hey guys. You know, they're called guys. They're guy in Hindi, so yeah, I killed the joke. I know. Coming to drop off the bike at Abhinav's place. I mean, you get to test the agility of this motorcycle in a very short way, but it's good. And here we are. Now you might recognize this place because this is usually where you get to hear, "Hi guys, I'm Abhinav." What is this called?
Cruise control.
Whoops. I just couldn't get it in me. What is this called? I was saying trip controller, trip controller. Yeah, cruise control. That's what it is, guys.
This is set and this is resume.
I shall resume this now. This has been an amazing experience to ride this amazing machine. If you guys like this video, a like rating is always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.